dear children. In previous class, you all had learned the names of the angle. You all know that angles formed by vertical and horizontal line is right angle. This is vertical line and this is horizontal line, and the angle formed by these two lines is of 90 degree and known as right angle. Today in this class we will learn how to draw angle. As you all know that we use protractor to draw angles. So first of all, let us observe this protractor. You can see protractor has numbers from 0 to 180 on both sides. In your right side, 0 is in the inner side of the protractor, and on your left side, 0 is on the outer side of the protractor. It means you can draw angles from both sides of the protractor. And here in the protractor, there is a baseline, and in this baseline, there is a midpoint. Okay, and this midpoint shows 90 degree. Okay, and you can see the protractor has numbers from 0 to 180. It means from this protractor you can draw different types of angle. So first of all, we will draw acute angle. As you all know, acute angles are less than 90 degree. In protractor, this is 0 and this is 90. So the numbers comes between 0 to 90, that all are acute angles. Okay. So let us learn how to draw acute angle of 60 degree. First of all, you have to draw one line from the protractor. After that, you place your protractor to your left side in such a manner that left end of the line touches the midpoint of the protractor, and this baseline overlap the line that you have drawn. So midpoint is touches the left end of the line and 0 is touches the right end of the line. This is correct position of placing your protractor. Now you can see 0 to the inner side of the protractor. So you start from here 0 and you have to draw 60 degree angle. So 0, then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So here you will put one dot and remove your protractor and join these two dots together by drawing line, and this angle is of 60 degree. Now you can name the angle ABC. Now you can write this is the sign of angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Here AB and BC are the arms of the angle, B is the vertex. As I told you before, vertex always place in the middle when you write the name. So we can write this angle in this way also. Angle CBA. This is equal to 60 degree. Now this angle we have drawn from right side. Now I will draw the same angle from the left side of the protractor. So we will follow same method. First we will draw a line, then place a protractor correctly This time to your right side. This midpoint touches the right end of the line and 0 touches the left end of the line. Now you are keeping a protractor to the right side, so you will read numbers from the left side. Okay, so 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Now draw these 2 points, and this is angle of 60 degree. Again you can write the name like this. Okay, so from this protractor you can draw angles from right side as well as from left side. Okay, now we will draw right angle. As you all know, right angle is of 90 degree. So first of all, we will draw one baseline. Now this time I am keeping my protractor to the left end of the line. This midpoint touches the left end of the line and the right end touches the 0 of the protractor. After placing your protractor correctly, you just start from your right side and inner numbers of the protractor you will take, because 0 starts from the inner side only. So 0, 10, 20 and this is 90. Put dot and then you join this dot with the line. Now this angle is of 90 degree and you can write give the name PQR. So you will write angle PQR or angle RQP is equal to 90 degrees equal to right angle. Now we will learn how to draw obtuse angle. To draw obtuse angle, you will follow same method. First of all, you will draw line, baseline. Keep your protractor to the left end of the line and the protractor line overlap the baseline that you have drawn. After that, you have to draw an obtuse angle. Children, you all know obtuse angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So because we are drawing from my right side, so we will read the inner numbers on. Now I'm going to draw obtuse angle of 130 degree. So from inner side 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is 90, 100, 110, 120 and this is 130. Put dot, remove your protractor and join these two dots. And the angle formed by this is of 130 degree and you can name the angle MNQ and you can write this angle MNQ or angle QNM is equal to 130 degree and obtuse angle. Now next one is straight angle. Now to draw a straight angle, you just draw one baseline again. Keep your protractor to the left side. Place it correctly. Now read the numbers from the right side, means inner side of the protractor, and you can see 180 is at the end. So you put dot and you will join these two dots. And this is of 180-degree angle. And you can name it LMN. So you can write angle LMN or angle NML is equal to 180-degree is equal to straight angle. Children, hope you all have understood how to draw angles. In my next video, I will tell you how to measure the angle with the help of protractor. So thank you.